Okay, let's begin with the pronunciation. Okay. Can you tell me how these words are pronounced? If you have any idea how these words are pronounced. How these two C are pronounced together, two Cs. So first one is accept, and the second one is accent. But here, in this case, first one is pronounced like S, and second one is pronounced like C. Why? So we should know why these two C's are pronounced in different ways. Yeah. Okay, I'll show you now this one. Where is it? So look at it. If C is followed by E, I, or Y, if we shortly say the three kinds of E, yeah, E. So E, I, and Y. So if C is followed, Ora is joining, guys, just a minute. So we pronounce C like S. So if it is followed by E, I, or Y. So we can read as
Miranda.
Hello, Ora, how are you?
I'm great, and you?
I'm great too, thank you. A bit nervous because people can't join us today. I don't know why. Maybe
I
there is
was late to, today's account is another one, so I don't see the message, and I joined earlier and with the another one account. And
Okay, no problems. Okay, now let's read these words, okay? So cell, circle. So we have discussed I and R. Yes, they are pronounced like R. Circle. Yeah, circle. Then city. Fancy. You see that C is followed by E, I, and Y. Yeah. So pencil. Policy. The next one is medicine. And fence. Please, everyone, repeat after me, okay? Everyone together. Cell.
okay. Cell.
Circle.
Circle.
City. Fancy. Pencil. Policy. Medicine. Fence. Okay, so it is clear, yeah? C is followed by E, I, or Y. Okay, now another case, when to pronounce as K. So if C is followed by A, O, U, or consonant, what does consonant mean? Do you know consonant? So vowels are E, I, O, and consonants are B, P, K, D, yeah? So these are consonants. So if C is followed by A, O, U vowels or a consonant, it is pronounced like K. Now read these words. Cat. Country. Corn. Clock. Cut. Clap. Just a minute, I will close the door. My baby left the door open. Sorry. Okay. Now read without me.
Cat. country,
counter,
horn,
clock,
clock,
cut,
clap.
Clap. Yeah, we have discussed a that in closed syllable it is pronounced like a. Yeah, clap. So here are two rules. Yeah, you see, C is followed by a consonant and C is followed by a consonant. Yeah, clock. So these are two kinds of k's, k and k, clock. Okay. Now I hope that you can read these two words. Yeah, so first one is followed by a consonant and second one is followed by a vowel. So how can you read it? So when it is followed by a consonant, how do we pronounce it? Like k, yeah? And in the second case, when it is followed by E, it is pronounced like s. So first one is k, and the second one is s. Is it clear? So do you remember the rules? So if C is followed by E, it is pronounced as S. And if C is followed by consonant, it is pronounced like K. So in this case, first one is K because it is followed by a consonant. And second one is S because it is followed by a vowel. So how will you read it? Except. And second one?
accent.
So accept and accent. I will write there. So first one is k and s, accept and accent.
Okay.
Is it clear? Any questions?
Yeah. No.
And remind me, I forgot to send you the materials last time. And if I'm sure that I won't forget, but remind me to send these materials in the group because you should memorize them, okay?
Okay.
Okay, now I'm going to explain subject pronouns and object pronouns as Mr. Abdullah, you asked me to discuss them.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I'll give you 3 examples. Now look at them. She gave me a pen. I gave her a pen and she gave a pen to me. So here, which one is subject in the first case? Which one is subject? She or me?
She.
So she is a subject. Yeah, I'll write. She is a subject. So what is a subject?
The person who is performing the work or
yes. So subject is a person who does the action. So I am speaking right now. I am a subject. So this is a subject, yeah? And when we use, so we should use a subject pronoun here. Just a minute, someone is texting me to join. Okay, sorry. So this is subject pronoun, yeah? And what is me?
Object pronoun.
Object pronoun. So what is object?
The person or thing who is receiving the action.
Yes. So this person is doing the action, and this is additional person in a sentence. Yeah, additional person who is not doing the action, but the action is directed to me. Yeah, so additional person in the sentence. So and here I have changed the person. Yeah, so here in this sentence, who is doing the action? In the second one,
I.
in this case, I am a subject, so I am doing the action. Yeah, so I gave her a pen, and so we have changed the meaning of the sentence. In this case, I am doing the action, so I is a subject.
Okay.
Okay, here, last one. She gave a pen to me. She is a subject, and me is an object. Okay, so what can we conclude from here? So where do we use subjects? Where do we put subjects?
In the first of the sentence, or the when the sorry, ma'am. Please discuss.
Okay. Hello, Ladem. Okay, so what is this one?
Verb.
So this one is a verb. I'll write on it.
Before the verb, madam.
Yes.
Okay.
So the second one is a verb, and the first one is a subject. So what can we conclude from these examples? That subjects are used before the verb. Before the verb. So the first one is a subject, and the second one is a verb. Okay, what can we say about the objects? What can we say about the objects?
After verb.
Yes, they are used after the verb. Okay, and here in the third case,
here is two objects.
two objects, but where is it used? After the verb?
After preposition.
After preposition. After preposition. Yes. So we can say that objects are used after the verb or after preposition. I'll circle it. So object pronouns are used after the verb or after preposition. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now look at the subject and object pronouns. Subject and object pronouns. So subject pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. And we can use these pronouns before the verb. Before the verb. So here is the verb. Yeah? Before the verb. And these are object pronouns. Me, you, him, her, it, us, them. And we can use them after the verb. So when you are doing the activity, for example, to put a subject or object pronouns, you should look at the sentence and look at the place, look at the gap. If the gap is given before the verb, you choose the subject pronouns. If the gap is given after the verb, then you choose the object pronoun. Okay?
Okay,
so now we will do an activity. Have you got any sheet of papers there or pens?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll share the screen. Can you see this? Can you see the screen?
Yet not, ma'am. Not yet.
Not yet. Okay, wait. Wait a little. Is it visible?
No.
No? Oh, why?
Oh,
Yeah, you can see now.
yes.
Okay, good.
What will we...
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
So you have to don't write the whole sentences. Make notes on your sheet of paper and write out short answers. First one C, second one B, for example. And look at the sentence, yeah? Now let's do the first one together. So you see the gap, yeah? So this is a gap. Do you see? So this is a gap, this one. Missing place, yeah? And like to find a wild foods. So like is a verb. Like is a verb. So the gap is given before the verb. So which subject, not subject or object, which pronoun do we need? Subject or object?
Subject.
So before the verb, we need subject pronoun. Subject. So A, B, or A, B, C, or D. Which one is subject pronoun here?
B.
B, D.
B and D. So B and D are subject pronouns. Yeah. So we should exclude. Yes. We should exclude A and C. So we have B and D. So which one is correct
B.
from here? B or D?
B. This is present simple.
Find the
B. Yeah, this is present simple. And we should, so B is correct. Why? Why not D? You should prove your answer.
Because there in the there will be not like, there will be likes.
So yeah, because
it would, yes, it would be she likes, not
she
like.
likes. Yes, that's likes, right. Yeah. Good job. Good job. Okay, because here, so here should be then S. She likes, and as we have no S, B is correct. Okay.
But question.
Okay. Ora.
So what will we copy it? Like what will we write it? Write down it.
You will write down. You make notes on your paper. First one B. Just first one B. Second one just shortly. Yeah. And we will check. Vaibhav, is it everything clear? If you have any questions, you can ask me.
No.
Okay.
Will you start?
Yes, yes. Start, please.
I have finished.
Good job. What about the others?
We are trying.
Okay.
Dad.
If you find many problems and you can't do it, you can ask me and we can discuss together.
Okay, ma'am. It's so hard.
Okay, let's begin. Okay, with the second one. Yeah. So you can make a meal of. So of is a preposition. What kind of pronoun do we need here?
Object.
Object pronoun. Which one? Which one is object here?
Them.
Them. So say is correct.
Them.
Good job.
Yes.
Next one. Dana and. So found is a verb. Which object? Which pronoun do we need here?
He.
Dana and he.
He, because it is subject, yeah, before the
Yes.
verb, before the verb. Dana and he. Okay, thank you. Next one. In the fall,
They.
they harvest.
They.
Yes, because subject pronoun again.
Yes.
Good job. Well done. Number 5.
We.
We.
B is correct.
Subject pronouns is missing here. Okay, good. Number 6.
Papa
Me.
and I.
Sorry. Us.
For mushrooms in the Papa and okay.
Meat. Oh,
So which which one is a verb
And
here? Which one is a verb here in number 6?
Me.
Hunt.
Hunt is a verb.
she.
Hunt is a verb.
She. Yes.
And before the verb we need a subject. Yeah?
Subject. She. She is correct.
She is correct. Good job. Because the others are objects, all of them. Her, me, us. If the object was correct, then all the others should be correct. No. So she is correct. Then number 7.
You.
You.
Have you ever?
So you here, because you as a subject pronoun and as an object pronoun is the same. So here, is it an object or a subject?
Don't understand. Please.
So
It's an object.
now look at it. Look at my page. Is it visible? So you is the same. You is the same here as a subject pronoun and as an object pronoun. Yes. And here, number 7, is it an object or a subject?
Object.
Okay, where is the verb? Can you tell me?
Have
Have a pig.
Picked. So have is an auxiliary verb and the main verb is picked. So before the
is
verb,
picked.
so before the verb we need a subject.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, then number, because it is a question form, that's why you were confused. In a question form, after auxiliary verbs can be used as subject, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Number 8, Uncle Dick and
Uncle.
Us.
which one is correct? Where is the verb? Can you tell me?
They. Found.
Where is the verb?
Found.
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 Before the verb, what kind of pronoun do we need?
They.
Object.
Before the verb. Before the verb.
Sorry, subject.
Subject. Before the verb, we use subject pronoun. So
They.
found is a verb,
Subject,
and
yes.
before we need subject.
They.
Yes,
Is
they.
correct.
As,
They.
her, and them are object pronouns, and they is a subject. They is a subject. Okay, next one. Dad asked Phil and
Me.
I.
Me.
why? Because asked is a verb, and after the verb we can use only object. Me.
Yes.
And number 10.
Be.
I.
Is correct because agreed is a verb. Agreed is a verb, and before
Verb,
the
yes.
verb, we can use subject pronoun I. Is it
Yes.
clear? Any questions?
No.
No questions?
Yes.
Okay. If you want to practice subject and object pronouns, I can send you some other activities in the group later because we don't have much time here to discuss all of them, and I can send you activities if you want to do them after classes.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Okay, now we are going to discuss to practice present simple and present continuous with a game again.
Okay.
But now in this time
Okay,
this is an internet game, but we have just 5 members. Okay, how to?
now 6 members.
6, not me. No, I'm not playing this game, not me.
Is not included.
Yes, in this game, I'm not
Where is
included.
Melania, Deepika?
Melania could not join us today. I don't know why.
And
What happened?
Deepika?
No, I don't know, Deepika. Okay, so we can have, okay, there are 4 teams, 2 teams, 3 teams, and 4 teams. If we play individually, then you are 5 members, you can't play it individually. But if we play in teams, how to do it? Okay,
So,
let's take 3 teams, but one should be individual then. Okay, offer me something.
Individual.
You would be individual, okay. And let's take 3
okay.
teams.
Just I want them to be cooperate to each other.
Okay.
Individual mean?
Individual, and I'll make pairs. Just a minute, I'll make pairs. So let's make so Luke and Ora will be together. Luke and Ora, you are in one team, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so you will be the first one. Then Vaibhav and Mr. Abdullah are in one team, so team 2, and Ladem, you're the third one, okay?
Okay.
I hope you can see. Now team 1, please choose one number, any of them.
Okay.
Luke and Ora, you are together, so you are playing together. Fast.
I guess 10.
10. Okay.
6.
No, Luke and Ora together.
You have to be together.
So
you
now
choose one number.
Now you have to say the sentence correct version to get score.
Okay.
So you can get 15 points with this question. So put them in the correct order and make up a question. Present simple question.
Yes.
You can say, for example, Ora or Luke, and you can agree on. You should say together, yeah. What? How to
What
make?
do you What
Mhm.
do you usually at the weekend?
Okay. Where is the verb? Ora, do you agree with him? Is it correct? Is it correct?
I guess so.
So repeat your answer once again, and then we will check.
What are you doing? Present tense.
Repeat.
You have to recognize, I mean, you have to
What?
arrange it, okay? You have to arrange the both.
Not only arrange,
Both words,
make
you have
up,
to arrange it
correct,
to complete
make up
sentence.
correct, make up
Okay.
correct question. Not only arrange.
What do you do in your? What do you usually do in your weekend?
At the weekend, yeah. What do you usually do at the weekend?
In your
Okay.
weekend?
Correct.
Correct?
Correct. Yeah.
Ah.
So okay, and you
I knew.
got
Okay.
15 points. Okay, now team 2,
Team 2, Mr. Abdullah.
Mr. Abdullah and Vaika. Number?
Sorry, ma'am, I have lost my internet connection.
Okay, now you can tell me your number.
You choose, you pick one number.
I will choose one number.
Number 1.
Any
Okay.
one.
Okay.
No, number 1 or number 13, ma'am.
It's
Oh,
already choose.
oh, sorry.
13, ma'am. Number 13.
Oh, sorry, I have already opened the sentence. So is it present simple or present continuous?
Continuous, ma'am.
Okay, so use the question form of present continuous.
What are they doing?
What? No, what is not given here? Just put a question.
Okay. Oh, where are they dancing?
So where is extra? Yeah, are they dancing? So your answer is, are they dancing? Yeah.
Are they dancing in the kitchen?
Yeah, where is extra? Because you don't need where. Yeah, are they dancing? Okay.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. Are they dancing?
Yes. Okay.
In the kitchen?
In the kitchen. It's already, the place is already mentioned.
Okay. Then next one. Now Ladem, your turn.
Number 7.
My favorite number. Okay.
Me too. So my partner, my parents are usually walking to the park on Sunday. On Sunday.
So are you usually walking? Is it your answer?
Are
Okay.
usually walking to the park. Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Usually walk.
This is incorrect. This is incorrect.
Is incorrect.
Usually work because they are not doing the
This is
action right
present
now.
simple.
Yeah, they are not doing the action right now. They are doing the actions on Sundays, every Sunday. So
because it's present
daily,
continuous, right?
yes.
yes,
This is daily.
on Sundays, yeah. And usually, when usually is given. So again, number team.
Yeah, usually, but it's not always.
Okay, yeah. Team 1, Ora and Luke. Choose number.
Number 6.
Number 6. Oh. Swap points. So team 2 and team 3 swap points.
What?
Just a minute. You should choose which one. Which team? Team 2 or team 3?
Team
It means change your points.
Team 3.
Team, yeah.
Team 3? So you want to get 0 point?
No. You.
You will
She
get the
wants
point from your team
she wants to
team
help
two
the
because
other
I didn't any coins.
to get some points.
Yes, to get some point. So you have to choose team 2. And you will swap. So you have 20 points and they team 2 have 15 points. Okay. Next one.
Mr. Abdullah.
Mr. Abdullah and
Good
Vaibhav.
round.
Oh, I will choose. Sorry.
Yeah, number. Choose number.
Which number you
13.
have
13.
to choose?
Sorry? 13?
13, ma'am.
13.
13.
This one.
Unlucky 13.
Yeah. Unlucky 13.
Yes, ma'am. She often eat at the. Yes, ma'am.
So which tense is it? Present simple or present continuous?
Present simple.
Present simple. Okay, then put it.
She often eats at the restaurant.
Okay, good.
Does she often
Good job.
eat
Good
at
job.
the restaurant?
Okay,
Oh,
now,
good.
now let them.
My number 9.
9. Oh, Ladem, you got
Yes.
15 points without doing this sentence.
Oh,
Yeah, see, this, I have a
Surprise.
good
You're
luck.
so lucky, man.
Lucky person.
No, ma'am. He got 15 points without doing anything.
So you will get many surprises here.
You are the winner.
Okay, now team 1 again.
Number 2.
Number 2. Okay.
Number 2. My dad.
Look and aura.
Yes. My dad.
I won't help you now. So won't tell
Let them
points.
be quiet.
No, don't help.
My dad. Sorry. My dad is not go fishing on Monday.
Okay, Aura, do you agree with him?
just a moment. My dad don't go fishing on Mondays.
So don't do or is not going. Which one?
Mm.
You have to discuss with each other.
Okay.
Which one?
Don't, because
Okay.
go is subject and
Oh, just a minute. Present simple or present continuous?
fishing.
Don't look at fishing. Look at the adverb. So which ten?
Present simple.
Present simple. So which one is it?
Yes.
It is not or?
My dad does not go fishing on Monday.
Aura, agree or disagree?
Agree.
Agree.
Don't is not. Don't is incorrect.
Yeah, doesn't. Okay.
Yes, doesn't.
Good.
Okay.
Okay, now
Okay.
now Mr. Abdullah and Vaibhav. Vaibhav, be active, please. Switch on your camera, say the number or something.
Come on.
14.
Poor connection. He has poor connection, I think. Okay, Mr. Abdullah, please.
Ma'am, 14.
14.
Yes. We usually
It's very
Yes,
easy.
ma'am. We are riding.
So present simple or present continuous?
Continuous.
Why?
We usually, but now we
Yes.
we are
Okay.
doing and this time.
We're writing. Great, good job. Okay, now let them try to be again
God.
lucky.
My God. Okay, number 5.
Number 5.
It will be minus, ma'am.
Oh my
No.
God. Come on. My mom often cleans the house on Saturdays.
Okay, so present simple or present continuous?
Present continuous.
So you're saying present simple.
Present simple.
Yes. Good.
Right, ma'am.
Okay, now
Yay, that's nice.
team 1 again.
Oh,
Team 1.
you are next.
You will want a big prize, okay? Who will win this game?
Team 1. Aura and Luke, please say the number.
I guess 15
15.
Yes.
Okay.
because last number is the lucky number. I hope.
No.
My mom does not often buy tickets to the theater.
Okay, which tense is it?
Present simple.
Present simple. Why?
Often.
Often. Aura, do you agree with Luke?
Yes.
Okay, check. Does not often buy. Yeah, this is mistake. Usually it's given here. It's correct.
So what's wrong?
No. Usually, often should be there. The answer was
God,
given.
I want you to lose, Laura.
Okay. Now team 2.
Just joke.
Ma'am, they are added give the correct answer or wrong?
Correct answer.
Correct. Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
They are going to be fast, so it's too frightening for me. I will choose.
So
12.
come on. Well, we want them to lose. Me and you, we will win, okay?
Yes, bro. Thank you. We are going to beat
Because they are
I
2.
hope we will win.
Okay, let's see.
I don't think so. We'll see.
Okay, let's see.
Ma'am, 12.
Number 12. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
Oh my
Missed
God,
out.
15 points.
Oh.
So, Laura, you said you will win?
So, brother, we have already won. I think so.
Lucky you.
Lucky man.
Thank you.
Now Laden.
Okay.
I want to give some points to Laden Bhaiya.
Okay. Give me half of it.
Okay.
Number 3.
Number 3.
Yes. Come on.
Yes. Can't you see the question?
Yeah, I have seen it.
Okay.
What he is cooking for dinner today? Present.
Today.
What he's cooking for dinner today,
Okay.
or what he's going to cook for dinner today.
Repeat just the answer, okay? To check it.
What he is going to cook for dinner today. I hope
Okay,
so. It's like that.
let's check.
I think
No,
it's correct. I don't know.
is he cooking? Is he cooking? Is he cooking?
What
So,
he is. Yeah, I already mentioned it, but it's
okay.
so it's correct. My first answer.
Okay.
Mrs. Miranda,
What?
do you know that we are playing honestly and Mr. Abdullah and Laden is playing
Yes, I agree
Oh
with you.
no, I have earned a lot of points, so
I
I
was
have not.
surprised that we are playing honestly.
Now we
Yes.
are
You have more points.
we are supporting each other.
So now you can choose a lucky number, Ora.
Now,
Is
Right.
there any lucky number left for
If you
us?
see 8,
Maybe, I hope.
you will
8.
I guess-
get win. If you 8,
I guess 6.
no.
Six.
No, I guess.
Ah, you have lucky number. Yeah, other team loses 25 points. Which one?
Other team loses 20. Team 3.
Oh
Team 2,
my
Team 2.
God.
No,
Team
it's
3.
me. Team 2, please give me.
Team 2 is better, okay? So you could reach him.
Because you
Team
will
2.
lose.
Abdullah.
You will lose 25 points. So then you will lose, and team 3 or team 2 or team 1 will win.
So this is your last chance. This is your last
Okay.
choice. You have to
Team
reach him.
2. Team 2.
So you could reach him.
So which one? Team.
Abdullah, sorry about it.
No, brother, it's okay. I want to compete with them.
Okay.
So I want to decrease my 25 points.
Okay. Last answer.
Just a
So,
moment, I need to calculate.
The challenge will be between you and me.
so you're playing. You have very clever opponent. So Ora
Yeah,
and
team
Luke.
3 because
So you
Team
choose
team
anything you
5
want.
I will minus 25
Laura, oh my God, Laura, you're so
95, then it
mean.
comes
Where is
70.
Luke?
Laura, oh my
Okay.
God.
Where
We
is
don't
Don't
Luke?
expect you
70.
like that.
Just a
I
minute.
was helping you too much in the first two questions.
Where
70.
is Luke?
Team 3.
Where is Luke? Just a minute. Where is Luke? Luke, are you there?
Team 2 or team. Or which one?
He's thinking.
Team
He's
3.
thinking.
My
Okay.
God, Laura. Okay, I will beat you next time. Okay, I will
Look,
put you in my
Look,
mind.
what about you? Look, what about you? You can say different
Team.
one.
Yes, I want team 2.
Okay, now Ola and Luke, you have to agree on one thing because I can't decide myself. You have to decide. You can discuss. Luke and Ola.
Do you agree with me?
Okay.
Okay, team 3.
So he's
No,
not saying
ma'am.
that. So you have to discuss. Look, you have to discuss between
Ma'am,
you and her.
What can I
So
do?
you have
I,
to
cut my marks, please.
Oh
I can do.
my God!
Say
Look,
first.
I'm your friend. Look,
Now
Don't
I
want.
am
Cut my
we
marks.
both of us we
No,
will
you
lose.
as
Okay,
my
ma'am.
friend, okay?
just make it like a
Oh
little
my
bit
God.
challenges.
No, ma'am.
I already
Oh,
decided.
my friend now.
Cut my marks.
Okay, team 3, what
And
can I do?
you can cut team 2.
Okay.
Sorry, Ladan. But it's game.
Ura, please cut my marks.
No.
Don't
Okay,
desert
Laura.
Mr. Laden.
It has done.
Okay, Mr.
Okay,
Abdullah, now
Laura.
you.
Next time I will see what I will do for you. Okay.
Okay.
It's
Okay.
8, ma'am.
8.
Tom usually plays football after school today. It means
You are correct, yes.
Does Tom
Yes,
play
yes.
football
Yeah.
after the school today?
Yes. Let's check out.
Does Tom plays football after school day today?
Yes. Check it out.
Mr.
guess
Abdullah, I'm waiting for your answer.
Click.
Ma'am,
I'm waiting for Mr.
may I
Abdullah.
take some moment?
Okay.
Thank you.
So the others should be quiet because maybe you give incorrect answers or correct answers. So let him say himself.
Yes, ma'am, does.
You let him look. You let him win, and then you are just helping him right now.
Let them,
Only
let
20
them.
minutes.
You have to be quiet.
Brother, if I win, it will be also a win for you. Because
Does is correct. I know.
Just yeah.
it's for Laden, brother.
Okay,
After
which
school,
one?
after
Which
school,
one? Which
after
one is?
school is this is present simple.
Ma'am,
After school,
present
not
simple.
yes.
Does Tom play football after
Because after
school today?
school, yes.
Mr. Abdullah, Tom plays. Is it your answer? Okay, I'll count up to 5 and you have to say your answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, say your answer.
After school.
Say your idea, okay? Don't listen to others, what you think. Say the answer. Please, time is up. Mr. Abdullah, what is
Yes,
your
ma'am.
answer? What is your answer? Tom plays?
Present simple.
Okay. No, because after school, it does
I
not
did
mean
it.
anything. This is today,
Yes, today.
not every day, but today. So today
This is present continuous.
present continuous.
Yes.
I
Is
don't
Tom
mind, ma'am.
playing football?
No
Yes.
one can beat us.
Okay, and
Okay.
last one.
Number 11.
Oh,
Number 4. Just one is left.
Okay, beyond.
So
Okay, you don't get any score.
Tina. Okay, don't help me. Okay, I will think.
May I help you?
Is usually wearing a dress to school.
Sorry, repeat your answer.
Tina is usually wears
Is
a dress to school.
usually wears.
What do you think, Abdullah?
Yes, present simple.
Usually,
I told you wears.
usually wears.
Yes. Usually wear.
But what did not you say is usually wears or usually wears?
Tina
Usually wears.
Usually
wears.
wears.
Yeah,
Usually wears.
Present
Yes,
content.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Present
Present
simple.
simple. Simple.
Present simple. Okay, and what did you say? You said
Okay,
is
correct.
usually wears or usually wears?
The first time I said as usually wears, but
Okay.
when you click it, usually wears.
So it's oops, yeah. So it doesn't matter you.
No, madam, it's
No.
correct. Correct,
Just
ma'am.
forgive
Correct,
me,
correct.
please.
Madam, correct. It should be
Correct.
correct.
There's somebody is encouraging me. Okay. So
Please
it will be
No,
the
support
I have
me.
second one,
already. Oh, I
not the
have
third
already.
one.
I have
No, ma'am.
already.
I will bet. Laura.
Just a minute. I have already.
I think
I have already
she
pressed.
is so angry.
So
No.
team 2 is the winner.
Laura, this
Okay,
is your
ma'am.
fault.
Thank you.
Okay, what's his gift?
Okay, that's all.
We have to choose number team 2.
Okay, team 1 is second, I guess.
Okay, Laura, next time.
We should be winner. This is your fault.
Yeah. Okay.
No, it's not her fault because I went by the fortune, so I got 50 marks, 50
But
points without doing
14
anything.
5 points is not enough.
Yeah, this is just game, yeah. So
Yeah.
Yeah.
nothing
This is
else.
just game, just for fun,
Yes.
just for learning. So
Okay, that's all for today. And if you want to discuss, I have some plans to discuss for the next time. But if you have any other questions, you can send me what exactly do you want to discuss, and I'll do. Okay.
Madam,
Thank you.
Do
may I
we
ask
have
something?
any game next class?
I have not planned yet. Let's see.
Okay.
Ma'am,
okay, let's make a game.
It's a
So I will
nice way.
challenge
It's a
Laura.
nice
Okay.
way to
Okay.
learn. It's a nice way to
Okay, I
learn.
will.
Laura,
Okay, I'll
Laura,
use.
don't
I
be
I'll,
so
like it very
mean,
much.
okay?
okay, thank you. So I'll plan for the next time. Okay.
I
Okay,
want
thank you
to
so
say
much,
one more word, ma'am.
guys. I'm
Points
just
are
Don't be
joking. I'm just
disheartened
subscribe
okay.
by the
to
others because they are not joining. So it's not your fault, it's their fault because they are not taking their chances. But we are taking our chances. You are giving a nice class. Today I am so proud and very happy. we are playing with each other. It's very nice.
Yeah, good luck, bro, for your winner, for you to win this
No,
game.
I
Because you
win,
bet
we all win.
some people like Laura.
So
Friendship is
youngest
winner.
member. So the youngest
I'm
member.
just Laura, okay? Look, just for fun, okay? Just for luck, and then
Yes,
I just want
of
you to be encouraging you this those games and to have
This is a little
competitions,
fun.
okay? Competitions like a game, just a game.
Okay, thank you
know.
so much for joining and for
You're
being active.
Thank you, ma'am.
And see you
Okay,
next
thank you.
time. You're welcome.
Have a nice
Bye.
day.
Thank
You
you very
too.
much.
See you, Laura.
Okay.
Bye.
Goodbye.
bye.